Good morning. I just finished making these cottage cheese pancakes. It's 3 ingredients plus some berries on top. Should be around 4 kilograms of protein as well. And this is how you make it. Okay, you basically need oats, the thin ones, the small ones, half a cup. Then you need another half a cup of cottage cheese. Check it out here. Add it to the mix. All the metric lovers here, this is 100 grams. And for the oats, it's half a cup. I live in Germany and this is a cup and it's half a cup. Alright, any metric lover can do this. Then you need 3 eggs. Cool, thanks for your patience. And then lids. Okay, like 20 to 30 seconds should do. This is how the dough looks like. And now it's frying time. Okay, now it's time to fry that thing. I just use here a little knob of butter. And in it goes around medium heat, 4 or 5 on your electric stove. Stuff. Yes. And if you have a lid, it's definitely a good idea, so the heat can circulate a bit better here and the top will then cook even better. Alright, so this has been cooking away for about 9 minutes and it looks already quite done. You see some bubbles on the top and you see that the butter is already very firm. So flipping this one shouldn't be a problem at all. Let's see how it goes. Oh. Alright, that was a success, I would say. Now give it another minute or 2 and then it should be done and ready to eat. Okay, the pancake here is ready to plate. Gonna quarter it quickly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Sorry, that wasn't super beautifully thrown or plated. Well, next some frozen berries. Then we have some maple syrup if you like that stuff. I love it. And last but not least, some peanut butter. Oh yes. Okay. So this is our 3 ingredient pancake that we obviously topped up with another 3 ingredients to make it even tastier. This should be around 4,000 grams of protein now. Definitely enough to get you through the day. Enjoy! See you later.